Shasta County is going to court to shut down parts of the Seven Hills Land and Cattle Company operation near Shingletown. That's home of Anselmo Vineyards. I got this copy right here of a preliminary injunction that was filed Wednesday in U.S. District Court in Sacramento. The county is asking the judge to stop the operation as soon as the hearing date of October 22nd and keep it closed until a trial is held. The preliminary injunction asks that cattle be moved off land the county says was illegally graded, causing damage to the drainage and habitat. That the restaurant be closed because proper permits haven't been obtained, disabled requirements not met, and it's on land zoned for strictly agricultural use. That a horse stall in the barn was illegally converted into an office. That a chapel Reverge Anselmo insists is private is actually commercial, and no permits were pulled or disabled requirements met. Anselmo told me he does have the necessary permits, and the county just has it in for him.
It's very sad that this is what they arrive at, rather than just giving me the permits that I've applied for and paid for. It's been very hard for me to regularize any kind of relationship with the county because no matter what we try to do, they come back with retaliation and hostility.
Injunction or not, Anselmo says he's ready to go to court. The sooner the better.
Let's just go to trial. I'd rather just hurry up and get this in front of a judge and a jury because I have a lot of confidence in the propriety of my operation, in all my licenses and permits.
He says if the operation is shut down, 38 people will be out of a job. He buys about $750,000 worth of goods and services a year and generates $61,000 a year in sales tax.
It's heartbreaking that this is a place and in a country that I've known my whole life, that I have fought for, that most of my friends have actually risked their lives for. In ways that I'm not going to discuss, I continue to do that. And I'm repaid by, hostility attacks and peremptory closure of the lives of 38 people. It's tragic.
Now, I talked with a couple of Shasta County officials this afternoon. They say they can't speak publicly because they're in litigation, and this preliminary injunction request speaks for itself.